everyone, let's talk about how to use TikTok cover title AI feature. So let me tell you guys, TikTok's cover title feature uses AI to analyze your video and suggest clickable text overlays for your thumbnail. So to use this feature, open your TikTok app and then tap on the plus icon to upload or create a video. Now once you choose your video, tap next. Now tap on the more option and scroll down. Now on the final posting, tap on the more option and then look for the AI title feature. Just toggle on the AI generated content. It allows the system to analyze your video and generate a list of engaging trend-aware little overlays. Now swipe through the suggested titles at the bottom of the screen, tap the one that best fits your content, then adjust the font color or placement before tapping save. Now proceed to post your video with the new AI enhanced cover. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next one.